Mini is stealing a page from more upmarket luxury brands by offering customers the opportunity to add individualized parts starting next year. The Mini Yours Customized service will let owners create and order customized side scuttles, dashboard trim panels, and LED projected door sills and door projectors that illuminate a welcome design or message or their choosing, all via configurator on an online shop. Customers will be able to choose different colors, patterns, surface finishes, icons, texts and even their own signature into the designs. Imagine customizing your Hardtop to read Willyz Mini or maybe Willyz Wheelz. The custom parts will be manufactured in Germany using 3D printing and laser etching, then delivered within a few weeks. They can then be installed either by the customer or Mini dealer. If the vehicle is sold to someone else, the new owner can order new custom designs. Mini says the service will be made available over the course of 2018 in Europe and other large markets, presumably including the US, though Autoblog is seeking clarification on that point. Mini says the move is in keeping with the spirit of individualization the brand is known for. This unparalleled freedom of design allows customers to transform their Mini into a unique special defined by their personal style and their own creativity, the company said in a release.